Dive into aquaponics, grow food with fish. Imagine fresh organic vegetables growing right in your backyard, powered by fish? That's the magic of aquaponics. This incredible system lets you raise fish and grow plants together in a symbiotic cycle. It might sound complicated, but aquaponics is surprisingly simple and rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, aquaponics offers a fun and sustainable way to grow your own food. What's even cooler? Aquaponics is incredibly efficient. It uses less water than traditional gardening and produces little to no waste. Plus, you get the dual benefits of fresh veggies and homegrown fish. Ready to learn how to create your own self-sustaining ecosystem? Let's dive in. Aquaponics explained. It's like a fish-powered garden. Aquaponics might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's actually a beautifully simple concept. It's all about combining two age-old practices: aquaculture, which is raising fish, and hydroponics, which is growing plants without soil. Here's how it works. Fish live in a tank and produce waste, just like any other living creature. This waste is naturally rich in nutrients that plants love. In an aquaponics system, the fish water is pumped to a grow bed where the plants are rooted. The plants absorb these nutrients, essentially cleaning the water for the fish. The cleaned water is then cycled back to the fish tank, and the cycle continues. Finding the perfect spot. Indoors or outdoors? Before you start building, you'll need to choose the right location for your aquaponics system. The good news is, aquaponics is adaptable and can thrive both indoors and outdoors. Outdoor setups offer the advantage of natural sunlight, which is great for plant growth. Just make sure your system is protected from extreme weather conditions like frost or scorching sun. Indoor systems give you more control over the environment and can be set up year-round. You'll need to provide adequate artificial lighting, but this can be easily achieved with grow lights. Consider your space limitations, climate, and personal preferences when choosing the best location for your aquaponics system. Gathering your aquaponics toolkit. Now for the fun part, gathering the materials. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy or expensive equipment. Many of the materials can be found at your local hardware store or online. Here's a basic list of what you'll need. Fish tank. This will be the home for your fish. Choose a size that fits your space and desired fish capacity. Grow bed. This is where your plants will grow. You can use a variety of materials such as plastic tubs, barrels, or even repurposed gutters. Water pump. This will circulate the water between the fish tank and grow bed. Air pump and air stones. These are essential for oxygenating the water for your fish. Growing media. This provides support for your plants. Popular options include clay pebbles, gravel, or coconut coir. Tubing and fittings. To connect everything together. Fish food. To keep your fishy friends happy and healthy. pH test kit. To monitor and adjust the water pH levels. With your materials ready, it's time to get building. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, prepare the grow bed. Drill drainage holes in the bottom of your grow bed and connect the outlet to a length of tubing. This will allow excess water to flow back to the fish tank. Next, position the components. Place the fish tank below the grow bed and the water pump inside the fish tank. Connect the pump to a length of tubing that leads to the grow bed. Then, set up the air pump. Place the air pump outside the fish tank and connect it to an air stone inside the tank using airline tubing. After that, fill the system. Fill the fish tank with water, making sure the pump is fully submerged. Add dechlorinator to the water to remove harmful chlorine. Now, add the growing media. Rinse the growing media thoroughly and add it to the grow bed. Finally, connect everything. Connect all the tubing and fittings securely, ensuring there are no leaks. Congratulations, you've built your very own aquaponics system. Before you introduce any fish or plants, you need to cycle your system. This process establishes beneficial bacteria that are crucial for converting fish waste into plant-available nutrients. First, add an ammonia source. You can use pure ammonia solution or add a few pinches of fish food to the fish tank. This will kickstart the nitrogen cycle. Next, monitor water parameters. Regularly test the water for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels using a test kit. Then, wait for the cycle to complete. The cycling process usually takes 2 to 4 weeks. The ammonia and nitrite levels will spike and then drop to 0, while the nitrate levels will rise. Once this happens, your system is cycled and ready for its inhabitants. Now for the exciting part, adding fish and plants. Choosing fish. Start with hardy fish species like tilapia, goldfish, or catfish. Introduce them gradually to avoid overwhelming the system. Choosing plants, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive in aquaponics, as do herbs like basil and mint. You can also grow fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. Remember to research the specific needs of your chosen fish and plants to ensure they are compatible and will thrive in your system. Once your system is up and running, maintaining it is relatively easy. Feed your fish. Feed them a high-quality fish food daily, but avoid overfeeding as this can pollute the water. Monitor water levels. Top up the water regularly to compensate for evaporation. Check water parameters. Test the water weekly for pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. Adjust accordingly if needed. Prune plants regularly. This encourages healthy growth and prevents overcrowding. Harvest your bounty. Enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. Congratulations on becoming an aquaponics gardener. By now, you're enjoying the incredible benefits of this sustainable system. You're not just growing delicious food, you're conserving water, reducing waste, and connecting with nature in a unique way. Plus, there's nothing quite as satisfying as harvesting a salad you grew yourself, powered by your very own fish. Aquaponics might seem daunting at first, but with a little effort and patience, anyone can create their own thriving ecosystem. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of aquaponics and experience the joy of growing food in harmony with nature. Happy gardening! For more in-depth information, tips, and troubleshooting advice, check out our website or YouTube channel.